Hey guys, I'm Mikhail and you're watching MAKSPACE. Today, I'm stepping into the kitchen to build a giant mouth-watering burger. These are the best burgers and very simple and easy to make.
This is what we're gonna make, a burger. So this is how to make it. First, we put these two slices, then we add this molten, first add this, mayonnaise. Add yolking, it's not it's a mayonnaise. Comment below if you like mayonnaise. Spread evenly and don't miss a little spot. Just like, do it like, you could miss like a bit. Like I have missed a lot, but it's fine. You could do like exactly the same. Or you could make every spot. It's your choice. And then we are spreading it. Then we get the mozzarella and whatever the name is.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. So
It's okay.
and then after we wash some lettuce.
Salad. You can have these two.
Guys, sorry, I'm just making a little bit of mistakes. I'm joking. And then add these two. And then we need just one slice. Cheese of some cheese. Ooh.
Let's see if this time Mikhail can open it or not.
Yeah. So this time I open. There we go. And then I get it out. Last time I did
Pick
not.
it up.
Last time I not open it, but this time it's ready. Now we just put it on.
Oops, it's upside down.
Oh.
Okay. The other way. Yes.
And see, this is how to make this burger.
Good job.
If this video helped, you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. This is MAKSPACE, where ideas become reality. See you in the next one.